Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Welcome to an unboxing, y'all. An unboxing of epic proportions. Just kidding. But it is a nice haul. Now, everything I'm going to show you, I got it all for, including shipping was free, but it was $54.91. And it's from Glamlight. So, and it came today. I'm not even unwrapped anything. So, I ordered 3 of the brush sets. One will go into to you guys. So, I ordered those. These are the Michaela Pot 2 eye brushes, and they're really cute. I don't really care that this is a collaboration thing. They were on sale on their eye brushes, so that's how I look at it. I'm not getting into the whole Lashgate influencer gasp, all that jazz. That's not this channel. But these brushes were $8 a piece, so that's that. Then I ordered this pair of lashes by Michaela. I guess they're called High Fashion, and these are for you guys. These are going in a giveaway too. And the lashes were $3.60. So there's that. And then I ordered the Michaela Golden Dreams lip set, and this was $6, and it comes with a lip liner, lip gloss, and regular bullet. So 3 of these. I don't even know what color I got. How do you even open this? Whoa. I guess, oh, that is bougie. Oh, that's a pretty color, too. Look at that. Oh, that's pretty. So, I guess you pop it in like that, and that's pretty neat. So, yeah, this was super inexpensive. Plus, I used a discount code, so it was actually cheaper than all of that. But, anyway, so that's pretty nice. And then I got a Scooby-Doo Zoinks lipstick. Now, Scooby-Doo was my first dip into with Glamlight. I hadn't used them before. Trust and believe, I fell in love. And, oh, this is a pretty deep burgundy. Isn't that pretty? Ooh, I can't wait. And plus the packaging, adorable. Alrighty. And that lipstick was $6. Yeah, $6. And then this palette oh, here it is. Okay. Red Velvet Cupcakes palette. This was this was $10. Excuse me. I was looking at it wrong. And it looks like, oh, it's sealed. Well, I'm not going to open it yet, but anyway, that is what the cover looks like. And let's see, does it have, oh, it's just an About Us. And it doesn't look like this expires, but if you use code GLAM15, you get 15% off your next purchase. But so there's that, and that's what the colors in the palette look like. So you can screenshot that or write it down. And then I got this palette, which Yes, I wanted it for the color. I don't follow, I know who Michaela is. I don't follow that stuff. But it's the Michaela Pop 2 palette, and that's what that looks like. And let's open her up. Please don't be broke. Please don't be broke. Please don't be broke. Please don't be broke. Oh, it's something out. Oh, it's the beads. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. I know y'all all seen this. I mean, hello. Yes, please. Yes, 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 and yes. Cannot wait to dig into this. True story. This was $15 on sale. And I used the code GLAM15 and it came out to taking off $9.69. So for all of this, 3 brush sets, okay, we'll do it in, so for, let's see, 12 brushes, 2 full-size palettes, 2 bullet lipsticks, a lip liner, a lip gloss, what was the other one? And a pair of lashes for $54.91. I call that a win-win on the for real. So that's what this is my Glam Light haul. So you guys let me know in the comments, which palette do you want me to try first? Do you want me to try the Michaela first or the Red Velvet? I do have the Red Velvet, not right here at the ready, I don't think. Or is it? It is. I do have the Glam Light Red Velvet lip. So, you know, I got a little bit of everything this time. So, at any rate, my collection of 0 Glam Light has now turned into, let's see, 1, 2, I have 4 Glam Light palettes now, with one of them being a duplicate. But that's okay, because trust, it was limited edition, so I'm okay with that. So anyway, okay guys, thanks for sticking with me during this unboxing. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.